guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Irish. For today's video, we are doing another unboxing, and this box is my new Christmas tree that we bought in Canadian Tire. But before anything else, guys, if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe, hit the notification button so you're always updated for my upcoming videos. So what are we waiting for, guys? Let's do the unboxing. So we need some scissors, guys, and we're gonna open it. Wow, this is so pretty. I didn't even finish opening it, but I saw it already. And look, it's so pretty. So this Christmas tree that I got in Canadian Tire is almost like, it's $39.99 plus tax, so it's kind of $45, and it's 4 feet tall. I saw also one that I really like. It's 6 foot, but Philip told me that it's not okay for our apartment because we're living in a basement apartment, and Philip is already 6'1", so just imagine how tall is the Christmas tree. And we have a 10-foot ceiling, or is it like 8 or 9?
6 feet. And that's 8 feet.
Oh, so you can hear it in the background, guys, that Philip said. So it's 8 feet, the ceiling. Look at this. So it's shimmering, right? Look at that. So pretty. How we're going to do this. I'm excited. So first, they're gonna give you the base for the tree. So they wrap it very well, so you can see the base of the tree there. Then the one for the cord, the adapter, and the Christmas tree is this. So there's another one, another piece. So it's like the bottom. This is the base. Yeah. See, guys? This is the base. And you can see here. And then you put it it's like this, guys. Pretty fancy, huh? Then we'll get the tree. This is the tree, guys. You showed in the camera. Hi, baby. Say hi. Hi to the vlog. Philip is doing his exercise, guys. So let's do this. Well, maybe it should be here. Yeah. Well, we're gonna put it up first, and then we could cover it there. Yep, like that. And let's do this. So this Christmas tree is the one that has already like not a bulb, but it's already had a light on it, and says here. So this is the instruction. Yeah, perfectly fine. Okay, let's do this. Let's arrange the tree, guys. So the bulb is here. So probably we could do like this because my cord is in the side. So this is the tree, guys. And later we're gonna put some ornaments and some balls. And the good thing of this tree, it has already lights. When we bought it, there's already lights in here, but I never tried it, so we'll see. Let's see, guys. Let's see. So I'm just going to put using this. It has like this. Good, and we're going to try it. Look at that! Let's turn off. Can you turn off the light, please? Look at the tree, guys. It's so pretty. Christmas tree, guys. So I didn't put a lot of ornaments or balls in my Christmas tree because I love the beauty of its own light. Because when I bought this Christmas tree, it has its own light, so I don't need to put some lights around the Christmas tree. And I like how the different colors changes, and I really like it. So this is my Christmas tree, guys, and I'm excited for the Christmas. And thank you for joining for this video. I'm Irish Jayne Loyer, and see you in our next vlog. Au revoir!